Hello, welcome to this brief tutorial on how to AirPrint from your Apple device. In this video, we will show you how to set up and use the AirPrint feature on your device. This tutorial will cover Savin, Kyocera, and Konica Minolta copiers. To get started, you will need to make sure your copier is accessible from your wireless network. If you are unsure about this, please ask your IT administrator. Connect your iPhone to the wireless network. To do this, press the settings icon, Wi-Fi, find your network, and connect to it. Once you have done that, open your internet browser or photos on your phone. Select the item you wish to print and press the share button. Along the bottom of the iPhone, you will see options to share. Scroll to the print button and select your printer under the printer tab. Once selected, you can hit the back button and select print. You have options for number of copies and color selection should your copier have the capabilities. Some things to consider when trying to mobile print. If your copier has user access codes enabled, AirPrint will not work. You will need to download the manufacturer's app, which can be found in another video. Thank you for choosing CopyPro. Should you need anything, please call our 1-800 number located on the front of the machine. Thank you and have a great day.